What's up, Project Zomboid server owners? Today I will show you some ways to prevent your server from crashing. Before you start, make sure to check your Project Zomboid directory. If you do not see any crash logs here, then you can continue to the next steps. Check the description if you do. First, you will want to diagnose your server. Open your server's debug logs located in Zomboid logs. Scroll to the bottom. Here you will need to look for any signs of errors. This can include memory null, mod logs, and errors related to storage usage. Memory null means your server has used up all of its allocated memory, RAM. It is okay if you see one or two null errors, but if your console is getting spammed, you will no longer be able to use any commands and save your server. Make sure you have set the max and minimum RAM correctly. To do so, you'll want to go to Project Zomboid 64.bat, startup.sh for Linux users, and make sure your settings are correct. Use XMX for maximum and XMS for minimum, G for gigabyte and M for megabyte. It should look like my screen. Check for any errors related to mods. If you see any, this could mean a few things: either a mod is conflicting or there is a mistake within the code. To fix this, you first need to check the mods page for any incompatible mods and requirements. If you do not think it's conflicting, then you can get in touch with the creator. It's best to be polite and patient. Send them your error and wait for their response. If that doesn't work, you can re-upload the mod with your own patch so long as you have permission to do so. The final thing you can do is make sure you have the right amount of player slots. Anything over 32 can be extremely laggy for some people and eventually cause the server to crash if it's up for too long. You will want 500 megabytes per player, and make sure the server auto restarts every 2 to 6 hours. I plan to create a tutorial for setting up auto restarts on dedicated servers and web hosters. If none of these solved your problems, I suggest enabling autosave to prevent large rollbacks. You can also ask for support on Project Zomboid's official Discord. Thanks for watching. Give a like if this helped you, and watch my last video on reducing server lag.